Hello and welcome back, students. Today we are going to start Unit 5 of the grammar book, that is the present tense. And we already know about that tenses. We have already studied in previous class, that is what is present tense and what are the tenses. So we'll start with the first tense of that of the topic tenses, that is the present tense. We already know that in the all in the tenses are four kind of sentences are there, that is simple present, then present continuous, and present perfect, then present perfect continuous tense. So if we'll start with the simple present, that is section A. Remember the rules you have learned in earlier classes. So we already know that in simple present, if the subject is singular, we add s or es in the verb first form. If they are plural, I mean subjects are plural, so we will not add s or es in the first form of the verb. We only use first form of the verb in simple present. So closely look at this chart. If you talk about the positive sentence, so the subject I, we, you, they, so they are plural itself, so we use only the first form of the verb. It's written there, sing is the first form of the sing itself. We have not used s or es after that. Come to the um, below than that, he, she, it, there is a singular subjects. If subject is singular, he sings, she sings, it sings. So if they are singular, so that's why s is added with the first form of the verb. Come to the negative one. If they are plural, we use do plus not. If they are singular, subjects are singular, so we use does plus not. So first one is I, we, you, they. Do not or don't sing. Don't is a abbreviation or short form of the do not. Then below than that, he, she, it. Does or doesn't. Okay, does not or doesn't sing. Come to the interrogative. Interrogative, we know that if subject is singular, we use does. If plural, so we use do. But we'll start with the um, helping verb, that is do. Do I, do we, do you, do you, do they sing. Or if the subject is singular, like he, she, it, so we use does. That is very simple. You people have already seen that, so it's like revision for you people. Now come to the section B. It's written there, what do we use the when do you use the simple present to express custom or habit. Custom means the regularity or regular thing, that is custom, and that habit. I play badminton every evening. So I is considered as plural subject, so that's why it's written there, play itself. I play badminton every evening. He plays the guitar for his class, so for his school orchestra. Does she take lessons in English? So according to the subject, we change the verb. We use the verb first form with s or yes or not. In the second one, to express what is actually happening in the present moment, it means what's going on right now. So for that we use present simple present, like see how it rains, means continuously it's raining itself, so that's why it is how it rains. Next is how sweetly Mary sings. So Mary is still singing now, it's in present time she's singing, so telling to that one, how sweetly Mary sings. To express general truth. General truth means the universal truth, or the truth is said by the people, like man is mortal, then is the earth moves around the sun, or the earth moves around the sun, both are correct. So that is one. Now exercise one said that uh, situation written there, Raman copied some notes about Rameshwaram. So topics are there, I mean the words are there itself, and you have to make a sentence. So first topic is written there, Rameshwaram belief built on the spot where Lord Rama placed his feet. So according to this line, using these words, the first line made, it's uh, here itself. People believe that Rameshwaram is built on the spot where Lord Rama placed his feet. So like this, you people have to read and make sentence in simple present. That is very easy. Next exercise 2 says that Rewrite the passage using the simple present tense of the words given in the brackets. First line says that at the New Delhi railway station, the Kalam family dash attract the attention. So the Kalam family is the word through which um, uh, using that one or for this one only we have to write verb. So verb is attract, so whether we use s or yes or not. So family is singular, it's a collective noun but it's singular itself. Family attracts, so s will be there. The word family is singular, attracts the attention of a large number of curious onlookers and the media. Dr. Kalam dash remain. So Dr. Kalam is singular itself. So the verb remain will be added with s. So remains. Like this, you can fill it out. This exercise and exercise 3, or come to the exercise 3 itself. Write 5 sentences about the things you like and 5 about things you do not like. Keep to simple present tense. So in simple present tense, you have to write what do you like and what you don't like. You like to play, you like to eat, what you where would like to go. Okay, what you do in daily base on a daily basis. So you can write about 5 sentences over there. Come for the present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, like in simple present, we use the helping verb do or does. So in present continuous tense, we use the helping verb is or am or are. So the positive one, see the chart itself again. The verb I, we, you, they. So they are plural itself. So with I only we use am. So am is already used and means always being used with I itself. And all other plural will be using are as a helping verb. So are singing, I am singing, we are singing, you are singing, they are singing. Below than that, he, she, it. So they are singular itself. So is singing will be there. So verb ing form will be there. Verb ing form is nothing but write first form of the verb and add ing after that. That will be ing form of the verb. Come to the negative one. Same subject, plural subject, I, we, you, they. Same helping verb, am or are, and after that just write not or never, both it will be working here, not or never singing. Okay, below than that, he, she, it is not singing. So again, is not singing, is never singing. Okay, not and never, both you can be you can use over here. Come to interrogative one. Am or are, the helping verb will be starting for that, like in simple present it was do or does. So here am or are will be there. Then I is small here, but don't write I small anywhere. It's a misprinting, I can say that. Here is I is small, but I never be written as in small. Okay, it will be in capital letter always. So we, you, they singing. So nothing but you have to write the helping verb first, then subject, then ing form of the verb. Come to the singular one, is will be there, and then subject he, she, it, and the ing form of the verb. One small note is there, use of present continuous tense. Where to use present continuous tense? To show that the action is still continuing, that is, the action is incomplete or continuous. The girls are singing and dancing on the stage. So the work is still in continuation, means it's not ended, it's in action itself, it's happening. On that time, if you use the sentence, that's called present continuous tense. Like the girls are singing and dancing on the stage. So the girls are still singing and dancing, they have not stopped, they have not taken pause, so they are continuing. So that's why is it in their continuous tense. The audience is clapping loudly. So audience are clapping itself, they have not started, they have not ended, but they are continuing clapping. Okay, so here exercise 4 says that circle the correct words in the boxes to complete the sentences. It dash right now. So you have to write is raining, rains, or are raining. So here for continuous tense, we don't use are with singular one. So are raining will not be there. Rains, ing form is not there, so we will not use. So is raining. It is raining right now. So like that you have to find out and write that one. Like that, exercise 5 also, complete the sentences given below with present continuous form of the verb. So you know which form of the verb is being used, the ing form of the verb will be used. So how to make ing form of the verb? Nothing but take first form of the verb and put ing, like it dash heavily now, so rain. So get ing form will be there, raining heavily, it is raining heavily. So we use is a helping verb over there. Don't forget the helping verb over there. Okay, according to the subject you have to put is, am, or are will be there. It is raining heavy, like this you have to fill it out. So in next video we will see that the remaining two type of tenses of simple present tense. So that will be in that present tense. Meanwhile you can fill it out by pencil, and if you have any problem you can ask, you can do the text message to me and I will answer each and every question. Thank you.